because they realize the stories that go on in Isencane Lengane is stories that are happening in our communities. We, Tinanje, as a channel Moja Love, we are mirroring what's happening in our communities.
Are you willing to say, okay, last thing I kona better, we are willing to do that, to listen to you, our devoted viewer?
Yes, definitely. That's why we took in the feedback and we said, Yazin, basihlalen phansi sixoxe. Sometimes Tula, it's not the solution.
Thank you so much for joining us.
As much as the community and as people, there's violence, as we said, there's always something that we are not proud to represent. But as much as it's something that they want to show, this is what is happening. And our families.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. If it wasn't for you guys, the channel wouldn't be here. So guys, this is one of my videos where I just come unprepared because of the story will be hot. So I feel like if I start preparing, having that sit down and trying to plan my next episode, it was gonna take time. So guys, I'm analyzing this interview or this season finale of Isencane Lengane, where they are debriefing the situation of Siyacela being abusive towards his family, towards Uthando, even Thando's family. So now, at the start of this episode, like this clip, Moja Love is saying that this is when they want to show us that it's happening in the homes. I mean, it's shocking, guys. Do we really need entertainment that shows us the abuse and there are no rectifications of that abuse or someone being reprimanded? Like, I'm shocked. I feel like if something like that happens, yes, like the therapist said, they are showing things that happen in households and no household is perfect. But if there is no remedy to the situation, then for me it's shocking, because the therapist also goes on to say, no, we rectify these things off camera. But why off camera? Why don't you show us the remedies that you guys put in place? Because us as viewers, we're watching and we are so sensitive to what you guys are showing us. What are you teaching the young men and the young generation who watch this show at home? Like, for me, guys, it's just shocking to hear this, because wow, the abuse is too much. And then again, I'm also one of the people who say, like, let the show be cancelled. But then again, I don't think they want, especially Thando's family, Wabaka Dlamuka, I don't think they really want the show to be cancelled, because sometimes, allow me to say this, guys, please, I'll just use this word. Sometimes the poverty kills us as human beings, because now I'm thinking, Guti, Thando is enduring this abuse, but at the same time, why doesn't she want to leave? Is it because she's afraid that if she leaves, there is no source of income, she's going to suffer with a child? Because such kind of abuse, hi guys, it's shocking, honestly. It's really shocking, I'm telling you.
That happens behind the scenes. We give counseling like we've done for Siyacela Nothando. We are big on community building. We will take that feedback and implement it.
Sonika, your last words?
I think another concern that we haven't quite addressed is Ilenda Bayoguchi. Young men are actually watching Siyacela. We actually have not seen an episode where there's real consequence to men who behave in this way.
Would you go that far as to say during filming, look, this is violent? You've just had this kid, man. No. We gotta open the show here. We're not here for this nonsense.
Siya intervene when we have to intervene, but we won't put it on.
Siyacela, how do you feel?
Ngokuqala kwakhona baba saqala nawe kwaku-right kwakungekho inkinga nje, kodwa the sihamba uyazi nawe uma ukuhamba ngena phakathi kwabantu ababili kulokhu ngena yabo, kuba nakho lokho nje ngoba kugcina kukanje nje.
Okay, all right.
Hey, Usiyacela continuing to be arrogant. Like, what does it mean when he says people are meddling in their issues? Why wouldn't families meddle in your issues if you're abusing their child? No parent would like to see their child being abused. Sometimes it goes as far as siblings. No siblings would want to see their sister, brother being abused. It's unacceptable. I think sometimes you need to own up to your problems. No wonder people, as viewers, were calling for the cancellation of the show because you're just so full of yourself. Sometimes you need to be humble and put pride aside and listen to what other people are saying. I know he has viewed comments from online and heard what viewers are saying, but he still comes here to talk. Is nonsense even the right word? To talk nonsense and say, people meddle in our business. Like, what do you mean? Why wouldn't people meddle in your business? Why wouldn't people meddle in your business if you're abusing their child? Like, Siyacela, please grow up. Please be humble, else the world will humble you. And stop being full of yourself. Yes, maybe you might get money from what you love and think that you are special or better than the rest of your family, but you're not. The other people are so humble and better than you. So do the right thing, like humble yourself so that you'll succeed. Or else the show might even get cancelled and they'll take that bread from your hand. And we all don't want that. We want to see you and Ntando grow. Hi, I'm so shocked, guys. I'm really shocked. Was this interview even necessary? Anyway, let's continue and see.
Usaqala sikhulume naye mhlawumbe seka 3 simkhuza indaba usayo kuthuma Sithando manje usisakhala manje angisabona ngisho uqalisa uThando ephinde kale usiswami so angazi lo fana usufuna ukubona yabona indlela enza ngayo.
Yo, I must commend Omalume for standing up for Uthando, even if Uthando doesn't listen, because they're always fighting for her. But for some reason, she stays in that abusive marriage, or maybe it's Ubegezela, it's just soldiering on and hoping that the marriage will change. But I must commend Omalume for upholding their responsibility in terms of protecting their sister's child. I'm actually proud of Omalume, although sometimes it's like useless because the person that they're protecting eventually chooses their husband. So hey, it's really shocking, guys. Like this show, it shows us a lot of things that happen in marriages, other people staying. I don't know whether it's because of money or what, but I'm just shocked, honestly.
It's a manje listen eshonangu alumama mashaka we guarantee Uthando guarantee ngeke yendawo kumina kukho right ukuzwa into omdala nje igaranti ngale sibele uthi hlumezekile kusho umuntu wesifazana nje usuthi ngale nje ugaranti uthi ingana yendawo ugabe ngane ngoba ngayizana yakhe kumina kukho right wangempela nomngayeka mina ngezaba and two enyindi sinisaba umsomo sibona badla mo so Uthando besingithatha samba naye so besamba naye ukuthi yena lo mama uthini uthi yena uzohamba ebuye okwakhe lokho thina asibelivele into eshoyo nazi niyasikhatsha kamsomi Uthando besimthatha simise ekhaya uzobe sesekhaya engakusho ngothando kukodwa nje mina ukuningi ngakukhuluma vele lokho ngakusho Uthando umefuna ukuhamba uyihambela nami bengifuna ukuhamba ngihambela Uthando nikathathelwa yini isinqumo ngakusho umuntu ohamba ize Uthando mesefuna ukuhamba adlama uyothatha isikhwama sakhe ehambe
so angikaze ngimenze.
Yo, she's so embarrassing, Umashange. She couldn't even answer the question that why did she say Uthando will never leave this homestead? She couldn't even answer. Now she's like, no, if Uthando wants to leave, can leave. Like, she should be ashamed of herself. Like what Omalume said, coming from a woman and a mother who says that when a child is clearly being abused. I'm so embarrassed on her behalf. I'm really embarrassed on her behalf. And she comes across as having a attitude. Maybe Siyacela takes from her. Who knows? Hey, this Lamuga family sometimes is just annoying. Like it shows Uguti Vele, their background is really bad and they are really enjoying this abuse, Egathando. And I know it's all because of money. It's all because of money because they know that if this show is cancelled and if Siyacela doesn't behave strangely, no money will be coming in, no check will be coming in, and they still want that spotlight. I am really embarrassed. I'm really embarrassed for this family. Yo, hi, I'm so annoyed.
Kabathi likhona. Uthi sicela abantu basithina singene indaba zabo. Sina singene indaba zabo sinamafoni yazi ngisho. So besibuka sinifoni into asuke yenza. Iyonto into esenza ukuthi sisuke eThekwini
siyele mathupha kuphi olundi akuthi uthando uthi uyasifonela akasifoneli yabona ngisho
akayizali
yabona ngisho
awumthola ngomkhaya ehlahleni
ngithanda sibe simkhosile
yabo angisho umhloniphi lo
vele akangiphiwe
lo akayizali
amenzanga
umithiwe nayo nemali
abangishaya so
Hey, Uthando,
Ungawashaya.
guys.
Akangishaya.
You can't be helped this one.
uke washaya physical
uke wangishaya before kodwa since omalume sithi nje omalume bafika kusuka eThekwini indaba yalungiseka nakhona wathatha imvubu ngiyobikela umama ukuthi kwenzakaleni akaze ngishaya ngifuna
No.
ngekushaya ingane futhi
Ngiya-understand. Asithatheni i-break ngoba kune-point engifuna ukushilo ngawe. You are rude. Ukhuluma nje umuntu ongafundisekanga nenhlamba awuna sense yobuholi bekhaya. Ngicela wena usikhulumele.
mina njengoba ngosiyacela adlama kwemva le show le okwenzekelana-ke kwenze nxa ukuthi ngase mhlampe sengicasukile
Umhlukumezi are you an abusive person? Umhlukumezi wabesifazane. Zikhulumela, are you an abusive man?
mina angisiyomhlukumezi wesifazane kodwa abakhuluma abathanda ukukhuluma basho njalo mina ngisiyena umuntu okanje.
Yo, this child, yo, guys. I don't even know why we continue watching this show. I don't even know why they continue airing this show. It's really embarrassing. It doesn't even show remorse. It's not even sorry. What does it mean when he says, it's the people who say it. If Uthando and say that I'm abusing her, and then it means I don't abuse. People should stop making it up. Yo, guys, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed at this point. I don't even know what to say. Like, what? This child to say the life will humble him one day. I'm not cursing him, but no. He needs to know other human beings, the spirit of Ubuntu. Like, who does that? They are here to reprimand him, but no, he's still speaking offside. No, guys.
mina ngisiyena umuntu kanjalo malingakakhishwa umngami umuntu engithandana naye lokho makusaphuma kunombani abantu engingathandani nabo emaceleni mina ngeke ngikhulume ngithando ngamhlumeza sengikhathele iphinda le kungcono ayisho lo
Uthi ngcono sesibuzele wena. So sibuza wena.
usiyacela ngasho ukuthi u-abusive nginhlamba into mina engenza ukubona ngikhala inhlamba ukungishaya cha akangishaya kodwa inhlamba iyona ingizwisa ubuhlungu ngibone ngathi angisiyena umuntu wesifazane
Uthando clearly has accepted the abuse. I don't know, guys, why. Or because she was begging for love from Usiyacela. Like, as we continue with this episode, she says, no, I accepted the abuse from the start. Like, why, guys? Is that even a reality? Anyway, guys, let me hear from you from the comment section. Do you think this is normal? Is marriage like this where you have to persevere and hope that your partner will change or accept certain things all in the name of saving your marriages? Hi, like, guys, I'm shocked. I am really shocked at what's happening here, and I don't think Moja Love is doing anything to remedy the situation. I think this show should just be cancelled. Of course, we watch, but for me, I feel like this is just unacceptable, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, please, because I'm so touched by all of this. Can we please listen to what Tando is saying here? Because, wow, just wow, Shem. It's really shocking. It's really shocking, Shem. Right.
angithi bengibeka khona ukuthi
Okay, asimnike ni chance.
inhlamba mina imini ngisuke ngayivumela from the start usiyacela ufike wathi esho inhlamba sihlalele ekhaya ngithi hayi bonjalo ngihleke engekho amakhamera ngithi ngizokubamba njalo kungabi yabo wazogcine mhlawumbe sejo kanti ku wrong kuyangcindezela ngikwazi ukuyikhulumela ngoba leyo nto iyahlupha ngiyamtshela naye uthola ukuthi amakhamera wasela
mina mama sekhaya ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami yazo
Fake.
ukuthi inhlamba ephazamisayo.
That's a fake apology. What do you mean that you're sorry if insulting her hurts her? Like, who doesn't get hurt when they're insulted? Even you, Siyacela, you get hurt when they insult you. Like, this is just nonsense. Stop doing that. Humble yourself. your apology should be genuine. Like, who does that? You can even say, no, I'm sorry if insulting you hurts you. Like, what the? Yo, I'm shocked, guys. To be honest, I'm really shocked. It's really shocking that such things are happening in the society. Just wow.
Ukuthi kwabakomalume into engiyifisayo nje mina bafethu ukuthi sihloniphane ngoba nama ngithandi abantu masebethi abantu bakomalume bakho bangena be
Yes, vele they should enter the homestead and fight. They should enter the homestead and fight because you guys can't reprimand Usecela because you love money so much. You can't even reprimand your child. Because you love money, you want the show to continue. Siyacela to always abuse Uthando to get views, ratings, and then you guys get a paycheck. It's embarrassing for a woman like you who gave birth to a child and you are letting your child abuse someone else's child. Please respect yourself. You're so grown up for this. The love of money like is the root of all evil. I'm embarrassed for all the Dlamuga women in that household. Do you guys feel Siyacela or it's just love for money? You're so greedy and using Uthando as an instrument to make money? Because we all know that Moja Lives gives you money. Like, shame on you guys. Yo, it's so embarrassing for you to say that. No, you shouldn't come fighting. What should I do? Come smiling. Come smiling. And ask for peace from you guys. And beg you guys just because you married Uthando. Like, how many cows did you use to marry Uthando such that you make yourselves feel special? Like, I'm so annoyed, guys. Maybe that's why I'm even shouting. This family is something else, I'm telling you.
khomba abantu kaDlamuka ngithandi lokho akungiphathi kahle ngoba mina ngazi ukuthi umalume uma wami lo uma wasekhaya angifisi uma ukuthi mina mayengena kaDlamuka engene njengomuntu ozolwa ongena njengomuntu ozoma egcikeni la kwaDlamuka ekubeni kaDlamuka uganiselweni.
Usecela, may I ask you ukuthi usawufuna wona lo mshado lo?
Umuntu ozoma egcikeni la kwaDlamuka ekubeni kaDlamuka uganiselweni.
Usecela, may I ask you ukuthi usawufuna wona lo mshado lo?
Mina umshado anginankinga nawo. Kodwa basemantsomeni khona la ngizowakhulula khona. Ngizomtransport uThando ngimlethe kubone.
Right. Do you want the show to end? Let's just go there. Do you want the show ukuthi phela? Ngibuza nini? Siqede. Nifuna siqede show. Sisibuyela kaMoja Lives sithi qedani isizini aphela. Ngeke.
Engakusho. Ngoba ngisafuna ukubona idliso ngoba ngazi
ukuthi show ufuna siqede or siqhubeke. Continue.
Ngoba ngisafuna ukubona idliso ufuna ukuthi iqhubeke. Ngisafuna ukulibona leli dliso leli likhona ukuthi ubaba wayengasho ngani ukuthi khonta yenzile ngumakoti wami.
Okay, so ishow mayiqhubeke.
Yeah.
Ufunani sister ndositshele ufunani.
Le nkulumo namhlanje ngiyafisa ukuthi ishow ingaqhubeka ngokuthi usiyacela izinto ezikhulu.
Hi, money is the root of all evil. Poverty will kill us, literally. Because someone is willing to be abused and the show continues just because of a paycheck. But I know other people said if Thando is abused, then she wouldn't be looking this fat. So, we don't know, hey. Maybe they are acting like I always say. They're doing it for views, to get ratings and all of those things because the abuse is too much. Or it's for the paycheck. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This was just an unprepared video because, the story was hot, guys. I couldn't wait for me to prepare, sit down and plan how I'm going to present it. So, guys, this is just a story that I saw. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment sections. As parents, would you allow your kids to be abused in marriage all because of the paycheck, or because you're embarrassed that if a child is a returned soldier and comes back from marriage, you'll be embarrassed? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. For all those who subscribe, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. And for all those who watch my videos and are not yet subscribed, guys, may you like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates like these. Some of them I plan for them, some of them they'll be too hot. I just come and present them to you. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, stay safe, stay warm this winter, and stay healthy. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Bye.